So in BYD Han, the first thing you need to do is to buy the OEM dash cam from AliExpress. Then you need to open it and fit that. This is the OEM dash cam installed with the wire connected. Buy that with the blue wire, and the wire you will run from here to there under the glove box, and it will come here. Here is the multimedia box where it will connect. And this center console has to be removed. The multimedia box is somewhere here. There are two connectors here. So when you remove the center console, two connectors you have to detach from here. One here for this wireless charger, and you will remove this cup holder, and there is one connector for this USB. So when you try to take it out, you should be careful to remove these connectors. Okay, so before for the center console, you need to remove this first one, remove this one, then this you can pick up easily, the rubber pad, and behind this there are two screws. After that you will just try to pull up, then remove the cup holder, then it will come out. Here you can see the four parts, they are shown, should be removed. There the gearbox knob, you have to just pull it out, it will be out easily. This is the cup holder in the move part. You can see the two screws that has been unscrewed. This is the multimedia console in the center, and you see here in the circle, yellow circle, the blue female where the wire will connect. Here I have connected the wire now. Once you install the camera connected, you will see the dash cam icon. This is after you restart, and once you click on the dash cam, you will see